Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming your device model and firmware so you know the sensor's expected behavior. Once done, power the device to at least 50% or plug it in so resets won't fail. Make sure to remove protective cases or magnetic mounts that can block the logo sensor. You'll also need a soft cloth and a non-metallic tool for adjustments. These prevent scratches and interference. Now place the device on a flat surface and keep it awake while you proceed with the calibration steps. You'll access the sensor menu in Settings, often under Accessibility or Sensors, to begin calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts exactly, tap, hold, or wave as instructed, because alignment matters for consistent detection. If there's a manual adjustment option, make small changes and rerun the test after each tweak. Avoid large jumps. Once you see reliable responses 3 times in a row, perform a short real-world test with normal use patterns so you confirm the logo sensor. You'll finish by saving the calibration and rebooting the device to make changes stick. This prevents transient errors. After reboot, verify behavior in typical scenarios and adjust sensitivity if available. If the sensor still misses inputs, clean the logo area gently with a 70% isopropyl wipe and repeat calibration. Dirt and oils commonly block detection. If problems persist, check for firmware updates and gather log data for support, because hardware faults or a stuck sensor may require professional repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.